Passive investing basics. Build wealth without trading daily. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by charts, scared of market swings, or confused about where to start investing? What if I told you you don't need to trade every day to build real wealth? Today, we're going to break down passive investing basics, the easiest, lowest stress investing path for beginners, even with small money. Let's get started. Lesson 1. What is passive investing? Passive investing is a strategy where you buy diversified investments and hold them for long periods without trying to outsmart the market every day. Instead of frequent buying and selling, you put your money into funds that simply track the performance of a broad market index like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, or global markets. These are often called index funds or passive ETFs, and they automatically mirror the market rather than trying to beat it. Lesson 2. Passive versus active investing. What's the difference? Let's solve the most common confusion. Active investing. This is where you or a fund manager tries to pick winning stocks and beat the market. That means frequent trades, analysis, and inevitably higher fees. Passive investing. Here, your goal isn't to beat the market, it's to match the market's long-term performance at lower cost and lower risk. Index and passive funds achieve this by holding a basket of securities, often hundreds of them, that represent an entire market or market segment. That simplicity is what makes passive strategies ideal for beginners who don't want to trade daily or stress over timing the market. Lesson 3. Why passive investing suits beginners. Passive investing is especially suitable for your audience, beginners, small capital, long-term outlook, for 4 big reasons. 1. Lower costs. Index and passive funds usually have far lower fees than active funds because there's no expensive stock-picking team trying to beat the market. 2. Broad diversification. Instead of putting all your money in one stock, you own a mix of hundreds of companies, spreading risk and smoothing volatility over time. 3. Minimal maintenance. Once you invest, you don't have to check charts, chase trends, or worry about daily swings. The strategy works automatically with long time horizons. 4. Better long-term potential. Historically, passive funds like broad index trackers tend to match or outperform most active managers over decades because of lower fees and broad exposure. All these make passive investing perfect for beginners who want steady growth without stress. Lesson 4. Core passive vehicles explained. Let's unpack the main tools you'll likely use. Index funds. These are mutual funds or ETFs built to mirror a market index like the S&P 500. They don't try to beat the market, they match it. Passive ETFs. Think of ETFs like index funds you can buy and sell through your brokerage anytime the market is open, but still following the same tracking model. Dividend ETFs. Some passive funds focus on dividends, giving you income while you hold, ideal for reinvesting and compounding. These tools allow you to build diversified portfolios with very little effort. Lesson 5. How passive investing works in real life. Now let's solve the how step by step. Step 1. Choose your investment vehicle. Decide whether you want an index fund, passive ETF, or automated plan. For most beginners, broad market index funds and ETFs are the easiest path. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Use an online broker that offers low fees and fractional shares so you can start with as little as you have. Many platforms offer zero commission trades today. Step 3. Set a simple investment plan. Decide how much you'll invest monthly, even 50 or 100 euros works, and stick to it. This uses dollar cost averaging to reduce timing risk. Step 4. Automate it. Set up automated contributions if your broker allows. This keeps you consistent without daily decisions. This approach exploits compounding. Your gains generate gains over time, a powerful force in long-term wealth growth. Lesson 6. Common misconceptions. Let's solve a few beginner fears. I'll miss opportunities. Passive investing isn't about timing, it's about time in the market. Even if you miss a few days, staying invested long-term historically produces steady growth. What about risk? Nothing is risk-free, but because passive funds hold many assets, your risk is spread out rather than concentrated in a handful of stocks. I have a small amount, it won't matter. Even small amounts, invested consistently, benefit from market growth and compounding. Small money becomes significant over decades. Lesson 7. Wrap-up and next steps. To recap, passive investing means matching the market, not beating it. It's low cost, low stress, and especially suited to beginners. You can start with small capital, automate your contributions, and focus on long-term growth. If you're ready to unlock long-term wealth without daily trading, passive investing is your path, and the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing lessons. Comment below, what's the first passive strategy you want to try? Let's build wealth with patience, discipline, and a plan, not stress and guesswork.